At University Health Network, UHN, we know climate change is a major threat to health. That's why UHN, led by our energy and environment team, is creating a healthier world through a sustainable environment. Located in Toronto, Canada, UHN is made up of 4 major hospital sites and 1 school of applied health sciences. Hundreds of green projects have reduced utility costs and greenhouse gas emissions. Some projects are large in scale, like using water from Lake Ontario to provide cooling for hospitals. Some projects are small with big impact, like eliminating straws from all patient meals and using reusable dishware, customizing surgical packs in the operating room so they only include what's needed, and wrapping sterile equipment in cloth that gets repurposed. Installing electric vehicle charging stations, creating hundreds of bike parking spots, building a wheelchair-accessible community garden, and countless recycling programs. None of this would be possible without buy-in from UHN staff. When we all pitch in, a strong culture of sustainability is possible.